Hi, Anna Arujo here, and today I'm going to show you a really cute Halloween decoration for your porches using Halloween pumpkins. There you go, they're easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to do this along with the help of my dad, Joe. Time to plant these pumpkins. Remember we did our cement? We're going to put this in and I'm going to fill this up with dirt and then I'll come back. Okay, so one thing you really want to make sure is you really pack the dirt down hard, especially right here so it doesn't bow. So remember when we drilled the holes, we drilled them opposite directions. So this is the next one that goes on. I'm going to fill this with dirt and then the next one's going to go on. I'll fill it with dirt and then we'll come back as I'm doing the last one. We got the last pumpkin. I'm going to put it in through the hole. I'm going to tilt it, so I'm holding it with my hand, and then I'm going to just start filling it with dirt. Come on this side. All right, and we're just going to keep filling it with dirt until I get all the way to the top. Now it's time to plant. You can see I found some little Johnny jump ups to put in the burgundy color. So I'm just going to dig some holes and plant them in, and voila, I already did it. So just let you take a look at these. I am going to come back and add some succulents, and I'll show you that when they're done. For our final touch to our little arrangements, I'm going to add a little owl. Now these are dollar store salt and pepper shakers. I put some hot glue in the holes. Then I covered the eyes with some tape and spray painted them black. When they were dry, I removed the tape and I painted the eyes like so. Now to finish up our pumpkin tower, we're going to add a few succulents. I like to use a twig to poke my hole. Succulent clippings. That's really all you need. Find your location. I'm going to put a couple right here and add a little bit more water. Just poke a hole, and then I'm going to take my succulent. There's my little succulent, and I'm just going to stick it in the hole like that. Then push a little bit more dirt down. I'm going to put one more behind there. Poke another hole. Maybe let's add a little more water. Here's my other little succulent, just taking the stem, just sticking it right in there like so. There we go. And you might have to add a little extra dirt. You can always do that too. And I think I'm going to put one light up here. I have this fun, I don't even know what the name of these are. My neighbors just dropped them by for me. So I'm going to put one more right here. There we go. Put that one there. I want one more right here. A little succulent there, and then to top it off, I got my wooden dowel. I sharpened the end. I'm going to push my wooden dowel right into my soil up here on the very top, and then remember our little salt and pepper owls we made. I'm just going to push that right in there, and there you go, a perfect little tower to put on your porch for the fall holiday.